So my plan for today was to wake up, get some lawn work in, and all that good stuff. However, it's raining.
Oh, you're so sad. Look at that face.
That's why. It's so gloomy and sprinkling, and he cannot go out and run today. So instead, how about we make breakfast? Obviously, our eggs. Obviously, salt, pepper, tortillas. Have some tomato and onion, some beans, avocado. I am missing the queso fresco. So you got yourself a pan, some oil in there. Let that come to the smoking point. So about at this point, I'm gonna lower the heat, probably put it right around medium. And we're gonna go, first egg in. Beautiful. I'm gonna do 2 eggs for me. Alrighty. Looking good. So there's a little trick that somebody told me a while back. It's if you cover this, it'll help the heat to cook the egg internally, so you don't have to use as much oil as when you traditionally fry an egg. At this point, feel free to put, whatever salt you'd like, if you want any. You don't have to. Nice. You do this to help the yolk and the white stuff to cook a little bit faster. I like my yolk runny. I don't like it fully cooked. So this is good for me right there. And I'm gonna get my beans ready. So we're gonna refry beans, and I'm gonna show you how I refry beans. So refried beans, pretty easy. Oil, hot. So once the onions look like that, they're pretty much done. You can either leave them in here or take them out. They've essentially, let go of all the flavor. So at this point, beans in. After the beans are hot, you just pretty much, well, it's hard to do this with one hand, you guys. You squish them all. Now, you do this until you achieve the desired texture. This is pretty much the texture that I'm looking for right here in my refried beans. Some people like it a little bit more smooth. That's fine. You can just keep hacking away. Some people like to use a blender, which is okay, I guess, if you're lazy. Also, very essential, salsa. Yes. I'll have a video later on how I made this, but for now, I'm just gonna wait to bring it to boiling. Have 2 eggs, so I'm gonna use 2 tortillas. I guess you could use more. So now that everything's ready, we just assemble it. My assembly, 2 tortillas, pretty straightforward. My eggs, beautiful eggs. Now some people like to dip the tortillas in the salsa, or they like to, dip the eggs in the salsa beforehand. I don't. If you do, go ahead. There you go. Salsa's nice and hot. I like to cover my eggs with salsa. Look at that. Delicious to me. Beans. Look at that. Freshly refried beans. Now, you might be wondering, doesn't this look a little empty? Yes, it does. Check it out. Look at what we're gonna put here. Avocado. Look at that. Finish this off with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. If you have lemon, you can put some lemon on it. I don't. I'm good with it just like it is. Like I was saying, I don't have queso fresco, some cheese to put on top. But if I did, I would definitely put it. So that's it, you guys. That's how I make my world famous Huevos Rancheros. Please like the video, share it, whatever. And if you didn't like this video, it's cool. I'll make another one like that one.